Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to be reviewing this LEGO Creator Train set. It's 66 pieces, it's recommended for ages 6 to 12, and it's set number 30543. So, I'm going to be building for you right here also, with live check-ins. Alright, I'll start building. Alright guys, so quick update. So I think we're building the front of the train to begin with. So yeah. Alright. I'll continue the build. Alright, another update. We finished the whole back of it. Looking pretty good so far. Alright guys, we finished the whole train so far. So the front of the train is completed. Time to move on to the second cart. Alright guys, so basically done with the cart, just gotta add the presents and the tires. Alright, completely finished with the second cart. Got two little presents in there. Alright, just gonna connect it to this one. And I'm gonna go on to the final cart. Alright guys, completely finished with the final and last cart, and time to add it to the train. Alright, on to review. Alright, so here's the whole train, and it's a pretty great build, I have to be honest. Let's take a look at them piece by piece. First off, we got the front of the train. Very good. See, that's the thing I like about LEGO. They can always make good micro stuff. Then we're on to the middle. The middle is pretty good. My one problem is that the presents, they're sliding a lot in there. But that's not too much of a big deal. That can always be fixed. But other than that, I'd say it's a pretty good cart. And the final part. It's a very smart way how they got it to look like this. Let me show you. They used two of these little ramp pieces. Let me just show you this. Let me just get it out. They used these pieces. And when you add it to it, it overall just makes it a really good build. There. So, yeah, overall, I think this is a great build. Definitely recommend it to anybody. And yeah. So, it's a great build and stuff like that. Alright guys, so that concludes the video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe and like the video. And let me know in the comments if you'd like something more like this. Or if you'd like to see anything else. Just let me know in the comments. Alright, have a blessed day. See ya. Bye.